Thanks for tuning in to Mr. Show.
Matter of fact, you ain't going nowhere until you feed me. Your nigga need to eat. How you gonna shake ass and your nigga starving around this bitch, dog? And I want some soul food. I want some greens, some macaroni, and 2 turkey legs. And that's gonna take about 3 or 4 hours. Tell me you can't make it.
Where do you think you're going dressed like this?
What you mean?
Man, I'm...
All right, so this is a serious edition of the Mr. Show. I redpillrixter. So what we're going to be talking about is like, you know, women going out on their Wednesday night girls trip. We'll be talking about how women dressing when they going out. Are they representing their man, how their man want them to represent. And we got a few other shows locked in right here. Lock it in, brethren. All right.
Close that door. I'm serious. Close the door. Come on, you tripping right now. Like, yes, you're tripping. Why would you even want to go outside dressed like that? You're married.
Dressed like what?
Look what you got on. That's not appropriate. What are you talking about? You're my wife.
Talking about
Like, who are you trying to impress? Are you serious?
Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way.
There's nothing wrong with what I have on.
It's a lot wrong with what you got on. Like, listen here.
Like you're tripping.
Listen, I don't...
Okay, guys, what do you think, guys? Now, this is your wife. He said he's married. So he's saying to her, you got on what you got on, and he's not feeling it. And she's saying, you know, this is how you met me. You know how women are. This is how you met me. This is how I was when you met me. And so, and this is how it is. And this is why you think I'm hot and all these kind of things. And is she for the streets or is she for the marriage? Will she listen or will she just like carry on? All right. I'm not going to stop it no more, but I had to. Like, I don't get it. All right, let's go.
Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way.
There's nothing wrong with what I have on.
It's a lot wrong with what you got on. Like, listen here.
Like you're tripping.
Listen, I don't care about you going out, but you need to cover up. Like, you're my wife. You should not be going outside dressed like this. Like, come on, we out of town. I know you want to kick it with your... What you mean? I'm not insecure. What are you talking about?
Alright, you come outside with a dang beater on all the time.
A beater compared to these little booty shorts? Are you serious? Like, why are you going outside dressed like this?
Those little booty shorts. Ladies, is this what you guys call covered up, or is those too booty? What do you
That's
think?
embarrassing. You're my wife.
What do you think?
No, come on, man. I'm not trying to hear that. Come on, you could have picked something else. Like, that's
No,
embarrassing.
you don't trust me now.
All girls now. You know what's
You don't trust me now. This is crazy.
No, come-
Maybe we should just like have a break or something. Like
I bet.
Have a break because she doesn't want to change?
Especially how you dress, maybe we should have a break. Cause come on, that's not appropriate while you're in a
You know
relationship.
when you go out.
I'm just saying, I would never, like, come on, seriously, like, come on, for real, like.
Well, you be at the gym showing that print and everything.
But all I'm saying is, can you please, like, come on, that's.
Yo, bruh. Don't bother with the please business. Tell her to take it, change it, bro. Tell her to change, give her some options. She's talking about taking break, give her some options, bro.
That's embarrassing. You're my fucking wife.
I'm not going out no more.
You see that? I'm not going out no more. Perfect.
Very good.
Exactly. Shout out to Snakey's editing. No, because honestly, seriously, the man is married to her and he's not feeling what she's wearing. She should take that into consideration. Let's go.
We should just like have a break or something. Like
I bet. Especially how you dress, maybe we should have a break. Cause come on, that's not appropriate while you're in a
You know
relationship.
when you go out.
I'm just saying, I would never, like, come on, seriously, like, come on, for real, like.
Well, you be at the gym showing that print and everything.
But all I'm saying is, can
Yeah,
you
bro, don't say please to any woman like that, bro.
please,
Don't
like,
do that, girl.
come on, that's
Don't do
embarrassing.
that.
You're my fucking wife.
I'm not going out no more.
Okay,
Very good.
Right.
I think that's a good idea, yes, because come on, look what you're trying to go out wearing.
Go to bed. We can just go to bed. Okay, we can go.
What you guys think? You guys see what she had on? What do you think? Was the husband like a little bit too much, saying like, you know, trying to hold her back, trying to hold her out for having fun, or was she wearing a little bit to go out and have all that fun without her husband? What you think? Then you got these other guys like this brethren coming up. When the woman going out, it's a wrap. He don't want her to go nowhere, bro. Let's go.
And where the rest of your pants to your... Where you finna go?
I'm about to go out with my friends, babe.
Out with your friends, man. If you don't come lay down and cut on a movie or something, the binge watch. And then it's Wednesday. Where the fuck y'all going on a Wednesday?
Babe, we're going to a little R&B spot, you know.
R&B spot, so you need a nigga that's gonna sing to you in the middle of the week? You out here with a club holding? You think a nigga a fool, dog? Matter of fact, you ain't going nowhere until you feed me.
Oh, the man said, You gonna go get some Igga to sing to you? Girls night out.
Go out with my friends, babe.
I'm with your friends, man. If you don't come lay down and cut on a movie or something, we finna binge watch. And then it's Wednesday. What the fuck y'all going on Wednesday?
Babe,
We finna binge watch.
R&B spot, you know?
R&B spot, so you need a nigga that's gonna sing to you in the middle of the week? You out here with a club hole? You think a nigga a fool, dog? Matter of fact, you ain't going nowhere until you feed me. Your nigga need to eat. How you gonna shake ass and your nigga starving around this bitch, dog? And I want some soul food. I want some greens, some macaroni, and 2 turkey legs. That's gonna take about 3 or 4 hours. Tell me you can't make it.
I knew you was gonna be hungry. Your food is in the microwave.
Who's microwave?
Yeah, you want me to warm it up for you?
She's been through this before. She's like, yeah, your food's in the microwave. Oh, this girl's ready. She hasn't even broken a stride in her hair combing or anything. Watch out.
You can't make it.
Yeah, I knew you was gonna be hungry. Your food is in the microwave.
Who's microwave?
Yeah, you want me to warm it up for you?
Oh boy.
What club you going to?
I'm going to live, babe.
Man, I can't eat no more of this shit, dog. What the fuck you need to go to live for? You know that's where all the rich niggas at. I'm trying to get my shit together. You ain't.
Oh boy. You guys gotta listen to what he's saying, yo, with his hot dog.
Babe.
Man, I can't eat no more of this shit, dog. What the fuck you need to go to live for? You know that's where all the rich niggas at. I'm trying to get my shit together. Why you ain't clubbing with the broke niggas? You put on that's baccarat? What you need to put on baccarat for? Then you take a shower, dub wasn't enough? I just got off the phone with the club. They talking about their capacity. You might as well come here and watch me play NCAA. I'm in the championship. Come on.
Yeah, psychedelic, bro.
Grab your control. And where the rest of your pants to your skirt at?
Babe, I'm to be seen, not touched. Just
Sound of it.
That's a good one.
skirt is given.
This shit finna give me a stroke and a heart attack in this bitch, dog.
Babe, what you doing?
What's
You
going on?
come on? My boss said I gotta be about 9:30.
Sound of it.
Yo, let her go, bro.
I'm doing your security tonight. You're not getting me
He's working security at the club that she's going. Yo, this guy's cold, bro. Yo.
dog.
Babe, what you doing?
Would you come on? My boss said I gotta be about 9:30. I'm doing your security tonight. You're not getting me fired on my first day. Come on.
Okay, this is when food fights back. Yo, people, it's not everything that God gave us on this earth that we should actually eat. Okay? So let's see what happens when food, right? When food, yo, rewind that part, yo. What is that? You know them, you know them shrimp in the ocean and then they hit their paws like boom, like that, and it like cracks skulls down there? That's what that is, yo. Wow. What can I say? Not for me, bro. All right, let's see what happens. Oh shoot. 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 When the food fights back, bro. Oh, they got her. Yeah. They got her. Hear the track? Are you hearing the track in the background? It's from the legendary group, the Fat Boys. All right, so let's see. She's hungry, and she said she's going out, and she wants to eat some food, and she wanted to get some kind of shrimp. Like, what kind of shrimp is that, bro? Let's go. Oh, my God, it got her. Turn up the bass in your headphones. It's funny. Ooh, the chef. Is it the chef trying to help her? Rockayo.
Get that big swing. So when that comes at me, I'm making sure to hollow out those elbows, move my body as much as I can. But I gotta move in now. I go back, now I go in. As I go in, he's weaker in this situation. When it wraps up, my arm will come over, a little bit of a disarm, but he doesn't disarm all the time. So take it.
That's how to get the fish off. Or the shark or the crayfish or whatever that is, bro. Or the shrimp. Military shrimp or some kind of clogging shrimp or something. Let's go. Girl's crying. She's bawling her eyes out.
Somebody said that providers are going to be.
Okay. Yo, this girl was bawling her eyes out. Yo, it's not even funny. It's not even funny. Okay, it is funny. It is funny. You're wretch, yo. Yeah, you wanted to eat the shrimp wanted to eat you. That's what happened there, yo. Hey, yo.
Somebody said that providers are going to be more controlling. Yeah, probably goes with the territory for two reasons. One, a provider can probably get any woman he wants. So why would he want a typical woman that's for the streets? He's not going to go for that. He wants to upgrade, okay? A woman that like to be at home, okay? A mature, calm woman that ain't into running the streets no more, if she ever was. Second of all, if you're making that kind of investment in a person, you like to protect your investment. You can't protect your investment with some wild woman out in the streets, want to go on girls' trips and put all her business on.
Yo, but they call that controlling. See, they don't understand that men are territorial, and that's that's protection. It's not anything else but protection. Let's go.
Can probably get any woman he wants. So why would he want a typical woman that's for the streets? He's not going to go for that.
Nope.
He wants to upgrade, okay? A woman that like to be at home.
Right.
A mature, calm woman that ain't into running the streets no more, if she ever was. Second of all, if you're making that kind of investment in a person, you like to protect your investment. You can't protect your investment with some wild woman out in the streets, want to go on girls' trips and put all her business on live and on the gram. You cannot. That's your investment, walking around doing some wild shit. You can't put up with that. So you women who want a provider, y'all ain't ready. Y'all are not ready because you want to be out in the streets. So just be out in the streets. Don't worry about it. Save all the providers for me, okay?
I like her. She is the real deal.
'Cause all I want is to be at home with a glass of champagne in my hand, you know, cooking my family some lobster tails and some filet mignon and an apron and nothing else. Okay, you can't cook naked. Okay, an apron and some heels. Okay, so y'all already know how I feel about girls' trips. That ain't happening. I don't want brunches. I don't want nights out. I don't want to bar hop with my girls.
Yo, this girl is a keeper.
I have no girls. I don't even have any daughters. That's how much I don't like hanging out with girls.
We all like you.
Give me a provider any day. Thank you.
We all like her. Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. I'm redpillrixter.